Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be doing a rainforest walk down Witches Falls. Yeehaw!
That was so good. That was brilliant.
I'm done.
I can't top that. So, he told you what we're doing. So, I don't need to do anything. We will see you on Tamborine. So we made a trip to Tamborine Mountain Bakery, which is the greatest place ever.
We got the bread.
We got the bread. We haven't been here in, I want to say like, I don't think I've been here in like 10 years.
Yeah.
It is the greatest bakery ever though. And I got an apple pie. We got my mother a cherry Danish. And I think we all got sausage rolls. And this car smells amazing. Like it smells like a bakery. So we're gonna eat our snacks and then go for our walk. Okay, we're getting ready.
So I need to grab my...
Carrying to the rain.
Are you carrying your water down?
I don't know.
I'm not grabbing mine. I'm just gonna drink now.
Because the thing is, my bottle is easy to carry.
It's just big.
Yeah. Do we want me to carry my drink bottle?
No,
Do we want water?
drink at the pond.
At the pond? I'm gonna sit now. Because like it has the body strap, so it's easy to carry. But also she's heavy. Okay, you taking the harness? We are ready. We are at Witches Falls. I believe it's about a 5.8k. It's 2 circuits. So we're gonna do that. We got Tash, who is over there. Lewis just got out the car, and it's kind of like raining on and off, so I'm actually gonna do my jacket up. So we're ready, I think. Come join us on our little adventure. Alright, let it.
This is waterproof, right?
Yeah.
Go for it. Yeah, good.
On your ankles, really?
Can we get a leech check? We have to look out there and do.
Look out and then we'll do.
That's what I said.
Hold on, I want to see the
Mud's squeaky. Tash, get in the hole, in the tree. You get in the hole.
You get in the hole.
Get in the hole.
You get in the hole.
I got the camera.
You get in the hole.
Ooh, take it. You get in the hole. Tash in the hole as well. Get in. Get in. I clean my shoes. Yeah. I thought it was gonna be like the whole way down. Oosh. Do what? Oh, imagine. Hey, it's the bottom of the rainbow. Look up, the bottom of the rainbow. Over here. Oh, yeah. Gold? FaceTime. Do you have your card on you, Georgia? Yeah. No. No. I was about to say just in case. I can't fit, guys. Ooh. So if you think it's like a mozzie or something, if you just slap it, it'll come off. Down the hill.
Why you do that for?
Good. Back down? Oh, damn it. What? I was looking at the camera, I wasn't recording anything. I think I was just talking to myself. It's a good thing you guys don't walk this very fast. I think so, hopefully. I don't know if it was aimed at her, but it was recording. And we made it! Nearly in one piece. Georgia is currently leading with the best fall of the trip. Yeah. Oh my. Backward jacket. We're just falling over again.
And you can chill in my villa, sipping on expensiveness, slugger with the bitterness. Relax, the battle is over, let me bury the axe. Set down your blades, dull your tongues, we out of the ring. So off with the gloves and let's shake hands like men do. I don't need to rub it in, what I've been through is clear, I'm the winner, but you can win too. If you let go of the hate, it's so simple. This song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never call it quits.
I think it's just the ones I'll just walk straight through. Oh.
So it's gonna be like the mud's gonna be harder than the rest.
Oh. Looks like I've got diarrhea on my feet.
So we've made it to the end. We got attacked by leeches at the lagoon, and the GoPro ran out of space. But I hope it caught the leeches because I kind of panicked a lot. I'm about to go panic some more and see if there's any more mangoes. So like and subscribe and comment and do other things, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so final stats. Who was muddiest? Lewis. I think I had the worst fall.
Yeah.
I think Tash had the most falls. I got the most leech bites. I think I've got 6 or 7 on my ankle. I definitely had the most leeches overall as well. What else have we got? Who was hit most by trees? I think that was another one Lewis was counting.
Yeah.
Was it you?
No, it was you.
It was me.
It was you. It was your Tash. I think it was Tash.
Was there any others we were counting?
I don't think so. Most trees caught
Those trees gone. Yeah, I think that was it. That was the end of our little adventure, our little bushwalk. Regrets for the leeches, but don't forget to like and subscribe down below. See you next time.